Assalamu alaikum guys, I am ARK. In the previous video we have learnt arithmetic operators and comparison operators, and this video is the part 2 of the topic of operators. So let me just comment this code out. You can comment out in Python by using triple quotation. This is called as multi-line comment, and you can add triple quotations at the start of the code block you want to comment out and the end of the code block. Using multi-line comment, you can comment out multiple lines, and these are single line comments. You can add a hash before any single line so that that single line won't be counted as code. We will discuss comments in a separate video. Let's get started with assignment operators. The first assignment operator we have is the assign itself. We will assign a value 5 to x. So what this operator does, it will assign the value on the right hand side of itself to the variable on the left hand side of it. So this is an assignment operator. We will create another variable y whose value will be x. Let's print the values of x and y. Values of x and y will be x comma y. X is also 5 and y is also 5. Now let us operate on x and y using the rest of the operators. So the add and assign operator will add the value on the right hand side to the variable on the left hand side and assign it to the variable on the left hand side. We will see how it is done. So we will say x plus equals to y. So this action will be equivalent to x equals to x plus y. That means the value of y will be added to x, will be added to the value of x, and then the total, the sum, will be assigned to the x, to the variable x. Let's print the value of x. Print value of x after x plus equals to y. The value of x is 10, as you can see, and this minus equals to operator also works in similar way. We'll see it, x minus equals to y. This will be equivalent to x is equals to x minus y. Let's print it. The value of x after x minus equals to y will be x. So what this operator does is it will subtract the value of y from the value of x, and it will assign the remaining value to the x, to the variable x. Let's save it and print it. So you can see the value of x after we perform this operation is again 5. It means 5 is subtracted from 10. X into equals to y. This will be equivalent to x is equals to x multiplied by y, and let's copy this print statement and paste it here. After x multiplied and equal to y, and the next operator is x divided by or equals to y, which will be equivalent to x equals to x divided by y, and let's print the value once again. We will see the output once we complete all the operators. We keep this at last. So next one will be x percent equals to x minus equals y, and this will be equal to x equals to x percent y. It is already between x and y and x. And let's print it. And now x lower division and y. This will be equal to x equals to x lower division y. Let's print it. And finally x equals to x equals to y. This will be equal to x equals to x raised to y. Let's print it. And now we see the last one. So here the value of x was 5 and the value of y was also 5. After we performed plus equals to operation, the value of x was 10 because x and y were added first and then the result was assigned to x. So it resulted 5 plus 5, 10. And after that we have performed x minus equals to y operation. Here the value of x was 10, and from 10 y was removed. That means x minus y was performed and the result was assigned to x. And in the third operation we have performed 5 into 5, that is we have performed x into y first, and the result was assigned to x. So it resulted in 25. The value of x was 25. And in this operation, that is in x divided by and equals to y, x was divided by y and the value was assigned to x. You can see 5.0, that is 25 divided by 5. The value of x was 25 here. In this operation, it was x percentile equals to y, that is x modular division and equals to y. Here the modular division was performed between x and y and the result was assigned to x. As we know, modular division results in remainder of the division operation. Here we don't get any remainder. 25 is easily divisible by 5, so the value of this operation is 0. Let's keep modular division at the end, and we will also keep floor division after exponent. I kept this in last because this operation was making the value of x as 0 and it was affecting the rest of the outputs, so I decided to keep it at last. It's the similar case for this. So whatever, this is an exponent and assignment operator. That means we are performing x raised to y and then assigning the value to x, whose answer is 3125, and this 3125 is assigned to x, and now the value of x is 3125. In this operation, we are performing floor division. Floor division results in the quotient of division operation, but without any precision. That means without any values after decimal points. So this divided by 5 is 625. And the final assignment operation we have is modular division and assignment. As the value of x was 625 and it is divided by y, that is 5, and this division operation doesn't have any remainder, so the value of x will remain 0. Hope this clears the concept. We have discussed the assignment operators in this video.
That is it for the video, guys. I thought of covering logical operators too in this video, but after cut shorting the duration, after fast forwarding all the written part, the video is getting 6 minutes long, so I've decided to make a separate video on that and stop this video now, and I'm also running out of time. So stay tuned for more videos and see you in the next one.